Hey, what's up guys? Alex from Brooklyn checking in here at Grand Prix Motors located at 2737 Coney Island Avenue. Right now we have a special delivery going out for one of our customers. This is the brand new 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan. This is the 2-liter turbo all-wheel drive. This is the SEL model. Let's take a quick look inside. Thank you for watching this video, guys. This is the 21 Volkswagen Tiguan 2-liter turbo all-wheel drive. This is the SEL model, which is pretty much fully loaded to the gills. A base Tiguan starts at $300 a month for 39 months. If you or anyone you know is in a market for a brand new Volkswagen or any other make or model, you will get the best deals at Grand Prix Motors. Check us out online at grandprixmotors.com for the best deals in town. You can visit our showroom at 2737 Coney Island Avenue or simply give us a call and you will get a free quote. I'm Alex from Brooklyn with Grand Prix Motors, wishing you a happy, blessed day, everyone. Take care.